Good day, all you wonderful YouTubers. Today is my very first fan video on YouTube. I put these off because I don't really care for my voice, but apparently y'all want to see what I have to share. So today we'll be starting with the Lady Delta I just installed last night in my foyer. Obviously it's Halloween season, and ignore the dogs that roam in and out. So we'll start with her on low. I am putting it on a 4-speed smart switch in the near future. For now we get the Slumber Three. This chrome Lady Delta was produced in June of 1987. It is a Slumber Three. I'm using a brushed nickel low ceiling adapter. It's the closest thing to chrome I could find. Just because it's in the foyer, I don't want it getting whacked as people come in and out of the house. I'm pretty new to Casablanca, and I knew these things were powerful, but I had no idea just how powerful they are. So I'm going to medium, which probably spins as fast and puts out as much air as any of the modern day 44 inches do. On high, it is no slouch. She cleaned up real nice. Well, it still has a few fingerprints on it. I actually have the right bracket coming from Dominique to get her even a little closer to the ceiling and not have that bracket be so visible. Came with a whole chain. That's medium. And then bat out of you-know-where speed. This monster flies. And to give you an idea, I can feel the air from it in the foyer through the opening and step down into my living room. All the way out to halfway into the room from that little opening, I can still feel it. Spin down. I don't think this one needs bearings just yet. The designer gray Delta 2 in my guest room definitely needs bearings, and I won't be doing a video of that one until I teach myself how to do bearings on a Casablanca with the Emerson K55 using her. The Rosewood blades go surprisingly well with the chrome finish. The blades were new old stock, still in the shrink wrap. Thanks, Jack, for both the new blades and this beautiful chrome fan. Just fall asleep waiting for it to stop spinning. Alexa, set the game room lights to white. And there she goes. All right, YouTubers, have a great day. New fan video coming soon.